Hi, my name is Kyle Steckler, and I'm a data and machine learning instructor at Google. In this module, we'll be talking about CI/CD for Kubeflow pipelines. We already know how to build an automated Kubeflow pipeline, but how can we integrate this pipeline in a continuous integration stack? The goal is to rebuild pipeline assets immediately when new training code is pushed to the corresponding repository. So let's start off by discussing some of the core concepts that are involved in this process. Here's the idea. We experiment fast with the model code. Then when we're ready, we push new code to our GitHub repo, and all the assets are rebuilt and available in production automatically. We want this to happen without having to track or manually trigger all the changes. Continuous integration simply refers to automating the process of this rebuild anytime code changes. So in theory, every container corresponds to a self-contained directory in a repository. When the code changes, we want this container to be rebuilt and pushed to the container registry automatically so that the new version is available for consumption in the production environment. Now, GitHub uses several triggers to start a new container build and push, but first we need to connect our GitHub repo to Cloud Build. Cloud Build allows us to monitor pushes to a specific branch, tags, or pull requests to trigger a rebuild. We'll discuss how to build configuration files that will tell Cloud Build what container to rebuild based on a trigger. But first, let's review the high-level end-to-end process. So here's the full CI/CD stack for a machine learning system. After experimentation, the code is pushed to a repo, thus triggering a rebuild of all the assets, which are then pushed to an artifact repository like Google Cloud Registry. The models are then retrained using the new training images that have been pushed into the registry. If the model meets the criteria, they're deployed to AI platform prediction where their API is monitored. In this module, we'll learn how to configure the continuous integration stack on Google Cloud so that the assets of our previously built Kubeflow pipeline are rebuilt when code changes are pushed. Let's dive in.